Hello friend, my name is Raihanul Islam. I have bought you a special product. Product name WebStarts. Product description: build websites without having to code. Empower your small business to create a professional custom website in minutes using WebStar intuitive drag and drop platform on coding required. This is product video.
Guys, do you want to build a killer interactive website that's original and easy to create? Well, look no further than WebStarts. What's up, Sumolings? Jay here with AppSumo, the #1 digital marketplace for entrepreneurs. And I cannot wait to tell you about WebStarts, a zero-code way to create landing pages, online stores, blogs, and much more. Real quick, double check that you're subscribed to AppSumo's YouTube channel so you never miss out on one of our killer deals. Alright, let's dive into creating your very own custom website. In the WebStarts page editor, you'll see that your website is divided into 3 main sections: the header, the footer, and body. Throughout the body, add design elements like text boxes, images, slideshows, and image galleries. Getting the element to your page is as easy as dragging and dropping, and everything you add is easily editable simply by clicking on it and hitting the edit icon. Drag the smart handle to create space between elements and link any of your elements to outside pages through settings. Once you're happy with your design, preview how it will look on the web and smash that save icon. Now here's where WebStarts gets really cool. You can add apps to your website, like an online store, blog, or live chat. That's right, it's all in-house, including payments for your digital storefronts. No integrations or webhooks required. Simply head to the app panel on your dashboard and click the app you want to enable. WebStarts blog is super user-friendly and helps you create content that catches the attention of search engines like Google. Live chat allows you to engage with your visitors like never before, and because it's all in-house, there's no coding required. Finally, the online store is awesome. In the back end, you can easily navigate between your products, orders, coupons, and customers. Plus, editing the look of your store couldn't be more intuitive. You'll be up and selling in minutes. Alright, now that your web presence is ready, it's time to connect your domain. There are no name servers required. Just enter your domain and in seconds, your domain will instantly start working. Sumolings, what are you waiting for? Stop wasting time juggling tools and trying to learn to code. Instead, make unique, high-converting websites that bundle together everything you need to run your business online. Get your hands on WebStarts today.
Create your website, design a blog, and open an online store all without coding. Build a customized website, find ideas and track visitors, do more with professional domains, sell domain skill and service. Choose the plan that's right for you. 60 days money back guarantee. Plan number 1. Plan number 2. Plan number 3. See that customers are saying. FAQ. The product link in my description. Check here. Thank you.